the question says that if one root of the equation 3x squared plus ax plus 3 equals to 0 is a square of the other, find the value of p. To solve this equation, we need to know a very interesting information about the cube root of the unity. Suppose the equation x cube equals to 1 is given to us and we want to find the root of this equation. We can very intuitively see that x is equals to 1 is going to satisfy the equation, so this is one of the real root of the equation. However, if we factorize x cube minus 1, we are going to end up with the equation x minus 1 x squared plus x plus 1. That says that there are one root which is alpha, and that should be satisfying the equation x squared plus x plus 1. Also, one real root is x is equals to 1. So if alpha is the root, we can clearly prove that if alpha is the root, alpha square is also the root of the equation. So with that, we can say that equation x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0 is going to have two roots, and that can be written in the form alpha and alpha square. Our equation needs to be of the similar nature because our equation is also having one root as the square of the other. That means 3x square plus ax plus 3 equals to 0 should be identically equal to x square plus x plus 1, and that is only possible when a equals to 3. So the moment we choose a equals to 3, we can clearly say that equation 3x square plus ax plus 3 will have one root as the square of the other. So with this 3-minute video, we learnt a very quick math